Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Fidelity Investments. Fidelity Investments is a multinational financial services corporation that was founded in 1946 by Edward C. Johnson II. It is one of the largest financial companies in the world, offering a wide range of services to individuals, families, and institutions. The company is known for its mutual funds, retirement planning, brokerage services, and wealth management. It has been a pioneer in the financial industry, being among the first to offer features like check writing privileges on money market funds and online trading. Fidelity Investments is headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts. The company's main corporate office is located at 245 Summer Street, which serves as the central hub for its global operations. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.